My name is Esther Katindi, and today I have Michelle here who has dry, sensitive skin. So I'm going to take you through the process of applying makeup for dry, sensitive skin. So for dry, sensitive skin, what you need to do is you start by cleaning the face with your wipes or just with soap and water or whatever you use to clean the face. So I'm going to use the antibacterial wipes and clean her face nicely.
What happens when you apply makeup without washing your face?
That's when it starts breaking out, you start having pimples and stuff like that. So once you're done cleaning the face, now for Michelle, we are not going to use a primer because she has dry skin. Primer is normally used for people with oily skin. So for her, we are going to use a moisturizer that has vitamin E and it's water-based, so that the face can retain moisture throughout the day. So we apply the moisturizer.
So moisture is very important when doing makeup.
Yes.
Why is that?
Because you want your makeup to last the whole day, and you don't want to look like you're sweating. You want to have a fresh face. So once you apply the moisturizer, you can wait for like 5 minutes, then you start doing your makeup. Now after 5 minutes, we start doing the makeup. We start with the eyebrows. We start by shaping them nicely.
So they don't have to be trimmed. Even when they have some growth, you still can apply makeup for the eyebrows.
Yeah, but that depends with you. There are people who don't like trimming their eyebrows, so you just do them the way you want. So we start with the eyebrows.
What is the formula of applying the oil pencil?
Yes, it depends with the structure of your eyebrows. There are people who like them long, people who like them shorter, people who like them thin.
Now, like for me, I like the thick one. How does one go around that?
You just follow the structure of your eyebrows because you already have the thick ones.
And there are people who don't have eyebrows at all. Is there anything that they can apply to add
For them to grow?
Yeah.
No, there is nothing you can apply for eyebrows to grow. If you don't have eyebrows, you don't have eyebrows. Eyebrows are not like hair. So as we are doing the eyebrows, the moisturizer is sinking in the skin.
And there are people who use the black eye pencil, others use brown. So does it matter with your skin color to choose the color of your eye pencil?
Yeah, sometimes if you have very dark eyebrows, you can use a darker eye pencil. If you just use the color of your eyebrows. So we are going to use a darker concealer, a concealer that matches her skin color. So we are cleaning the eyebrows.
Everything changes.
So while you're doing makeup, Do you find it hard doing some people's skin tones?
Not really, because this is what I do. I already know what I'll do to every person. So you're basically shaping the eyebrows so that they can look perfect and flawless. Also, a good way to maintain dry skin, you should take a lot of water so that your skin can retain that moisture.
So for example, the way I have these small outbreaks is because I haven't been taking a lot of water.
Yeah, sometimes it might be because of water or just hormones.
Okay.
So we're just blending the concealer. So we are done with the eyebrows. The next step is the eyeshadow. So first we start prepping by using a concealer.
One does concealer under the eyeshadow.
Yeah, before you do the eyeshadow, you apply the concealer. So we had to spray the makeup fix on the blender so that it can be wet when you are blending, so that it can blend perfectly. Once it's blended, you're going to use powder to set the surface. So for Michelle, we're just going to do a basic eyeshadow, nothing complicated. So we start with this transition color right here.
And for eyeshadows, I see there are other oily eyeshadows and others which are powder-like.
Yeah.
Which is the best to use?
Just like eyeshadow, just like foundation, I mean. Eyeshadows also come with different, like there are oily and normal ones.
So for my skin, which is the best to use?
I prefer the matte ones because the oily ones normally crease after some time. Like they leave lines on your eyelids.
Okay.
So you're just going to do a subtle type of makeup. Something that is not too shouting. Mostly people with dark skin don't like shouting makeup, but it also depends with the person.
And maybe also the purpose for doing the makeup.
Yeah. So keep blending.
I understand there's usually different types of makeup for daytime, for going out.
Yes.
So what advice would you give people, like when they're going out and during the day, how it should look like?
During the day, okay, it will depend with the person. For me, during the day, I prefer something subtle, and then during the night, something that is popping.
Okay.
So that someone can notice you from a distance.
Everything changes.
Wow, that's a transformation. And really, I don't know what to say, but she's quite a makeup artist. And I really feel great.